Hey there, my name's Ben. Whether I'm hiking, mountain biking, kayaking, snowboarding, or overall traveling, it'll be an adventure. Subscribe and follow along every week as I explore the great outdoors using my sense of adventure as my compass.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Ben. I do outdoor adventures. Today we are here in Western Maryland near Harper's Ferry, West Virginia. We parked at the Weaverton parking lot on the Appalachian Trail as well as the Canal towpath. I got the Packraft on my backpack. I got the kayaks on a cart, and basically we're gonna walk up the towpath for about 2 to 3 miles, cross over the bridge into Harper's Ferry, West Virginia, and then float it back. So it's a pretty fun section of river to kayak. We got the Packraft, like I said, so that'll be our first time in fast water with that. It should be an awesome day. Let's get to it. And nice, easy 2 miles to start. Here we go. We made it to mile 59, we started at 58, headed to 61, so, and it's kind of nice, we can see the river, kind of maybe start to scout some lines a bit all along this. I just wish I was over there. I just wish I was in the river right now because it's like 1,000,000 degrees out right now. So we were headed under the 340 bridge. It's about halfway up to Harper's Ferry, and so far so good. A lot of bikers out today. And over here you can see this is the biggest rapid we'll go through right there. I think today it's looking like stayed towards this side. It's gonna be pretty good. That's fast. Should be pretty fun. And we're almost to the footbridge here in Harper's Ferry. Here's the Potomac River from the Maryland side. We're gonna walk across that bridge, head into downtown Harper's Ferry. And then I'm gonna put in like over there, come down the Shenandoah, paddle up around the bridge and come back here. And my parents are gonna put in their kayaks here. So that's the plan. All right, so we're locking the big kayaks up here by the bridge. And I got my Packraft and my paddles and everything all geared up in my backpack to head across the bridge. downtown Harper's Ferry. So to see all the sights. Here's the Shenandoah River. pretty high. And here's the pack raft. Just got it on my backpack. Gonna get it blowed up. Alrighty, we are in the pack raft. We're gonna try to go around this little island here, and then there's a rapid on the right. You'll be able to run back through, hopefully. If this connects through, we'll see. And we've reached a blockade. We're gonna portage a bit here. Completely unexpected. I'll steer. That's a pack raft, folks. That was awesome. Okay, now we got my parents, they got their boats, and I got my brother in the front, I'll be in the back of the pack raft.
The Maryland side and the big raft.
Let's do it. Thinking about Harper's Ferry, downstream we go. I think the plan was to stick to the Maryland side. Should be faster. Bumping. Yeah. Hold on. Yeah! Yeah, buddy! Let's go! Hold on! Let's go! Yeah! Hold on to your paddle! Woo!
That was fun. No, he's okay.
We gotta flip, we gotta flip.
Let's go.
You wanna float to these rocks down here, or you gonna try to get to the shore?
Go to shore.
I just trekked like half a mile on the towpath. Kind of got beaten up a bit. It wasn't an easy put in, but we're gonna run that rapid again, this time by myself in the pack raft. So I barely have any weight, but I'm fully expecting to flip. If I don't, then I guess consider it a win. Let's do it. Oh man. Let's do it. Oh man. I was sick. And going under the 340 bridge here, mostly flat water from here, a couple little ripples, maybe one more mini set of rapids, but we made it through the tough stuff. And now we're taking out in Weaverton where we parked our car earlier. Might be another mile or so from right up here, mostly like this. Almost back to Weaverton. Inflation time. It's an awesome day there today. We got the kayaks back on the trailer, and awesome ride here on the Potomac River. If you have any questions about how we did it, we had the pack raft on my back and the kayak carts. It was an easy hike, cool exploring downtown Harper's Ferry, and then an awesome float back. The rivers were perfect levels today, and awesome time here. Subscribe for more outdoor adventures, a lot of more kayaking and pack rafting to come. See you guys in the next one.